We started with this gray Jordan face box here. More faded than I thought it was. Jumpman, of course. Right here it says Air Jordan 7 Retro BB. Color blocking is white metallic gold sport red. Size 11 and a half. Just for me. Take off. Do not buy the Jordan 7 Miro'S until you have fully watched this video. Alright, chat. You got it right here. Jordan face box, man. It looks kind of faded. It looks interesting on the ring light. But yes, we have a Jordan face box. There we go. It's kind of hard to get y'all to see it with the ring light. Jordan face box right there. Have the Jordan Jumpman, of course. Then the size tag is gonna read Air Jordan 7 Retro BB. I don't know what that BB stands for. I'm gonna have to look it up. Color blocking is white, metallic gold, and sport red, man. Size is 11 and a half. Rumors are true. Yes, I did go up half a size, which we will talk about why I went up half a size later on throughout the video. But box is going to have a lot number right there. I'm pretty sure that's the lot number. You got the lot number. You got this stamp right here. And there's gonna be there's gonna be a YCM sticker right there. I didn't even keep that YCM sticker right there. Got another sticker right there. But let's stop talking about stickers. Let's get into this shoe, man. Starting off with the paper, actually. Let me say the box. Paper. You're gonna notice the paper is actually sort of like a beigeish tannish color instead of, you know, your typical white. Take this off and you got the shoe, man. Now I will say something real funny. These shoes come tight. Like, this is, I had to loosen this one up because I tried it on. No, make sure it fit. But if we go to this other shoe right now, this other shoe right here, like, God, look at how tight these is. Like, they tightened them up so hard, bro. You think they're the Undertaker trying to choke slam you. I mean, it gets bad. But money sprayed with my laces. My boy, you really thought you got this far into the video without me asking for you to subscribe, man? You definitely gotta make sure, man, you're subscribed so that way you can stay up to date. Sneaker news, sneaker everything, man. Reviews. It's definitely, I'll say this, it's easier to do the videos, man, but with y'all subscribed, man, that's gonna bring in more income. Then I can do more in-hand reviews. This is going to be your left shoe. So the left shoe is actually gonna come, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna try. The left shoe is actually gonna come with your green laces, your red and the yellow, blue and black laces, man. So you're getting 5 pairs of laces, and then 6 if you count the ones in stock. You're getting 5 additional pairs of laces from one shoe, man. Just insane value. I mean, in my opinion, I mean, they shouldn't be charging $255 retail for some extra laces, but you know, that's a different type of feeling, man. As far as retail though, this shoe has actually, most sizes, I'd say size 10 and below is under retail. I'll throw up the market prices up there on StockX. Size 10 and below is under retail, and I'll actually check for GOAT. GOAT's price is usually higher, so I doubt there will be much under retail. But if you have a size 10 and lower, get these now, because those are gonna go up above retail. And the prices like size 11, 10 and a half and up, those prices, they were under retail before release. Those shot up, man. So I can tell they shot up because they were limited. This was a very limited release, and what's gonna happen is the people from the sneakers app, people who got their pairs from, you know, sneakers app and other retailers, they're gonna start getting their pairs. Like, I just received my pair on Tuesday, and I'm recording this Wednesday, but yes, I just received my pair. And yes, man, those people are gonna be trying to resell them, man, make a quick buck. So this is gonna be your best time to get them before the prices go up. But yes, we can see laces right there. We'll notice we have Air Jordan right here, and then you have like this yellow shading on the back right there. That's gonna have like your little size probably tag. Also, you will notice inside it does come with this thing, man. I haven't seen one of these in forever. I don't know if this is exclusive to the Jordan 7. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't had a Jordan 7 since the Jordan 7 Citruses, man. I'll throw up that right there. That was a pair that released in 2022, man. So it's been a long time since I had a Jordan 7. If we take a look in the inside, you're gonna have your size tag right there. Look at that insole, man. I'm not gonna take it out. You got the insole, and then you got like the shoe. No shoe tree, man. Just shoe paper, man, which is a bummer. The only shoe that's getting this year is the Ben 23 Jordan 8s, which if y'all want me to do a video on those, I can. Back tab is gonna have your 9 instead of the 23. Then we got the rainbow strap right there. Then this is the part where I was talking about why to go up half a size. This part right here, if you go true to size, man, a lot of people have been saying this part, especially on Jordan 7s, that will engrave on your foot. And as you see the toe box right there, it looks like it has something. I think that's it. It says CP for CP3PO. Please don't take that seriously. And then we got the stock laces, which it comes with like these rainbow laces. You got plenty of colors right here. You got that yellow, that red, that blue, white and red. Sort of screams 4th of July. I mean, I feel like it released the perfect time, like the weekend after 4th of July. Good time. And I'll flip these laces out the way. And we got the white and the gold. And then we got the red and gold up there. Then we got a bunch of circles. We'll flip to this side. More gold, black and white. Just a ton of colors, man. And I think with a shoe like this, if you're trying to style these, man, definitely go something on a calm fit, because the shoe will be the louder part. Also, no Jordan Jumpman on here. The shoe is going to be your statement piece, man. So you don't have to go statement piece heavy. Then on the bottom, man, you see we got the basketball. We got another basketball. We got all these balls, just a ton of balls. And you got to put a heavy pause on that. I know y'all be dirty-minded. Got the Jumpman in gold right there, man. This blue is going to get dirty, man. I'm going to tell y'all, like, maybe down the line we come through with a review on this shoe from like a year from now or something like that. But this will get dirty. I'll tell you that. The black, I like how the black is there to sort of help it, but this ice blue, or not even iced out blue, just really like ice glacier type color, that's gonna get dirty fast, man. Right, we throw them on feet, man.